So now we are performing shitali pranayam. As I told you, we are doing pranayam. The last session only I told you. Okay, so we will wait for at least few seconds and then we can start this session. Okay, I'll start this session. Okay. So today this session is basically on a pranayam. Okay, we know the benefits of pranayam, and in old Vedas and in Ayurveda they told the some pranayams which we can able to do during the summer days to keep our body cool and calm. So we have actually two pranayam, one is Shitkari and Shitali. So today we are focusing on a Shitali pranayam. Shitali pranayam is also known as a cooling breath. So here Shital means cooling down. Shital means cooling down, and here this cooling down of the body is nothing but what your coldness. Okay. So this is also known as a soothing. So during the summer days, if you keep a practice of Shitali Pranayam, you will get more benefits. So here, very important thing, that is benefits of this pranayam. Okay. So those who have the diseases related to tongue, mouth and throat, due to heat they are facing some problems. If you are doing this, it will give the coolness and it try to recover. As well as it is very good pranayam for the diseases of the spleen, and even it helpful in fever and indigestion, and it controls the high BP, and any pitta related diseases are there, so that is also what get reduces by performing Shitali pranayam every day. It purifies the blood and it cools down the body temperature. Okay, so any even it is stress effective stress booster. Okay, and it calms the mind. Okay, so if you have any hyperacidity, anxiety, that is also get reduced by performing Shitali pranayam. Even in high fever also it is useful. So I must suggest you can go for a Shitali pranayam during the summer days. Okay, because nowadays we have temperature, outside temperature is more, and even the temperature of the body is also get increases. Okay, and to get the relief you must go for Shitali pranayam. So I told you about the Shitali pranayam and what are the benefits. Now it's a time to discuss about the precautions. Okay, who should not do, or who can able to do this? Those who have the low BP issues, they can avoid this. Okay, and those who have asthma, cold, cough and other respiratory related problems are there, they can also avoid this pranayam. Okay, so avoid this Shitali pranayam during the winter days. Okay, don't do this pranayam in a winter days, because it is already providing the coolness to the body, and in winter there is a coolness only there, that time we require heat. So now in summer we have to keep our body cool or soothing. That's what we are going for shitali. Though those who have history of chronic constipations, and they can also avoid this pranayama. Okay, so whatever the benefits and precautions we have in shitali, same are there in the shitkari pranayam too. Okay, so this is nothing but shitali pranayam. I hope you understood. Okay, just I gave the idea about the shitali pranayam. So hence we can conclude here, this is a cooling breathing exercise. It keeps a body cool, calm and soothing during the summer days. And the very important thing, you all are listening now. The thing is that how can we do this shitali pranayam? It's very important, how can we perform this? So here we can perform just by sitting in any meditative pose, or you can sit, those who are not able to sit, they can sit on sofa or on a chair. And then you have to keep your hands are in Gyan Mudra. So how to make Gyan Mudra? So we are touching the tip of the index finger to the tip of the thumb, and then you have to join this and make a circle like this. Okay, and you can rest your wrist on your knees. Okay, and sit in a meditative pose. Then you have to sit straight, spine straight. Okay, shoulders are stretched but relaxed. And then you have to close your eyes. Okay, don't close your eyes now, I'm telling the procedure. Then you have to go for 2 to 3 deep breathings, and then we have to take our tongue out like this. And you have to roll the tongue. You have to roll the tongue. That means we have to make a pipe of your tongue like this. You just, with the ends of the lips, you can just roll the tongue. Okay, and then from the that small area, circled area is formed. From that you have to take the air in. Okay, here inhalation is done with the help of this tongue only. So whenever you are inhaling the air, you can feel the coldness. Okay, and that coldness reach to our stomach. Okay, and while exhaling, you have to exhale from your nose. Okay, so I will show you once. Check once. Okay, you have to roll out the tongue, take air in, then take your tongue in, close your lips, and then you have to release from your nose. Can you getting this, how I am explaining? Okay, those who are present, at least message what is the means whatever the procedure I told, you understood. Okay, if possible you can type the message. So here one more time I will show you how to make a shitali pranayam. Okay, so take your tongue out and roll it and inhale. Getting this? Okay, chalo, we are doing almost 12 rounds today. So those who are present now, they can take a meditative pose, or they can sit on a chair or sofa. Hands are in Gyan Mudra. Rest on your wrist. You can rest on your knees. Spine straight, neck straight. Shoulders are stretched but relaxed, and gently close your eyes and perform 2 to 3 rounds of deep breathing first. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Okay. Now you have to take your tongue out, roll it, Inhale through that pipe, then take your tongue in and lips are closed, and exhale through your mouth. Exhale through your nose. Get ready for the next round. You can feel the vibration slowly. Whenever we are inhaling, then coolness you can feel all over the mouth, and slowly it can go towards your stomach. Okay, and then inhale. And sorry, you can exhale through your nose. Okay. Now last two rounds. Feel the coolness. We are still performing some rounds. All sadhakas, you can continue with the shitali pranayam. This really gives the coolness and calmness and soothing effect for your body during these hot summer days. We are doing last 2 rounds and then I'm ending with session. Now eyes are remain closed. Feel the coolness. At least you can feel that coolness in your both upper and lower jaw and that entire buccal cavity. And you can just feel your respiratory system from top to bottom, how you are feeling. Okay, feel the vibrations. And now gently open your eyes, release your Jnana Mudra. Okay, I hope you are feeling cool. Okay, so every day now I'm keeping shitali pranayam. So shitali we are performing during the summer days, okay, which gives the coolness to the body. Okay, so those who is having heat related problems, okay, so जैसे कि how we can say that there is a मुंह में छाले वगैरह पड़ जाते हैं, तो you must do this pranayam every day. This gives lots of benefits, but those who are suffering from low BP, asthma, any respiratory related problems, okay, they can avoid this pranayam. Okay, this is very good pranayam, actually prescribed to perform during the summer days. Okay, and every day there is a omkar chanting session is also there in the morning. Sometimes it's 6:30 according to the Gulf Standard Timing. So if you want, you can join that session also to take the benefit. Nowadays holidays are also there, vacations are there. If you have kids with you, then ask them to sit. Omkar chanting is also very good session that increases the focusing and concentration. Okay, as well as it also helps to improve the vocal regional part. Okay, so you can join the sessions. Thank you, thanks for joining. Yes, Harihar Behera, what is this? This is the shitali pranayam. Okay, so shitali pranayam we are performing during the summer days, hmm, to give the coolness and calmness of the body. So while before joining, I think everyone is reading the tagline what I mentioned over there. Okay, so draw batola नागिन बन गई. Okay, what you have to feel, let you feel. So thank you for joining. Hari Om. I am ending this session. Thank you. We can meet again tomorrow.